we had seen how to find out HCF using long division. Now in today's video, we are going to learn about HCF, highest common factor, using prime factorization. Factorization means expressing a number using product of its factors. Prime factorization means expressing a number using the product of prime factors. In today's class, we are going to learn how to find out HCF using prime factorization. This prime factorization we can learn in two ways. One is long division, another one is prime factor tree. Let's solve some questions on whiteboard. Let's say HCF of 24, 36 using prime factorization. Now, first we will find out the factors of 24. The two prime factors, not normal factors. 24 prime factors using factor tree we are doing now. Factor tree here, we draw two lines and then first prime number which is divisible by 24. So we have our first prime number as 2. So we'll do with 2. 2 times, how much is 24? 12. And now 2 times, again 12 is divisible by 2. So that's why I am using the same prime number 2. So 2 times 6 is 12. But 6 is not a prime number. So we can go ahead with 2 times 3. Here 2 and 3 are prime numbers. So we will end here. Now 24 prime factors are 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. Now 36. Let's find the same prime factors. Let's find the 36 prime factors the same way using factor tree. 36 prime factors are, again 36 is divisible by 2. So we can use prime number, first prime number 2. 2 times 18, 2 times 9, but 9 is not divisible by 2. So 3 times 3. So 36 prime factors are 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. Now we found 26 prime factors, 36 prime factors. Now let's figure it out the common factors among 24 and 36. Here one pair of 2's we have, make it as 1 2. Here one more pair of 2's are there, so make it as 1 2. And here one pair of 3 is there, so make it as 1 3. Now you have to multiply all of these factors. 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 3 is 12. So 12 is the HCF of 24 and 36. HCF of 24 and 36 is 12. I hope you understand. I'm going to give you some more questions here. Let's try by your own and then let me know if you stuck anywhere. Okay. Let's find out HCF of 73 and 29. Here, this you can find it out. First you try it and then you watch the video if you stuck anywhere. And 73 is a prime number. We will have 73 factors are 1 and 73 only. 29 is also prime number. 29 factors are also 1 and 29 only. These two numbers common factors are only 1. So HCF of 73 29 equals to is only 1, because when you are finding out the HCF of two prime numbers, HCF always be 1. That is the basic rule. Okay. We don't need to find out the prime factors and then making out the highest common factor and all. Here, since we know 73 is a prime number, 29 is also a prime number, so that's why the HCF of 73 and 29 is 1. If you do not know how 73 can be a prime number, 29 can be a prime number, just please watch how to find out a prime numbers between 1 to 100 in the previous videos. And I'm going to give you one more question here. Find it out, find out the prime factors and HCF using factor tree. Here I'm giving 28 and 140. HCF, find out the HCF using these two numbers and then let me know if you stuck anywhere. I'm going to show you how to find out three or more numbers prime factors. Prime factors and how to find out the HCF of two or more numbers. Here 28, 140 and I'm taking 125. Now here using prime factors only we are using. So let's figure it out. 28 prime factors. 2 times 14, 2 times 7. 7 is a prime number, so 28 prime factors are 2 times 2 times 7. Now 140 prime factors. Let's see 140 prime factors. What are they? 2 times 70, 2 times 35. Now 35 is not divisible by 2. So is it divisible by 3? Let's see. Using the divisibility rules, 33 plus 5 is 8, which is not divisible by 3. Is it divisible by 4? No. 3 plus 5, 35 is not there in the 4 times table. 35 is divisible by 5. So 5 times 7 is 35. So 140 prime factors are 2 times, 2 times, 5 times 7. Now the similar way 125 prime factors we can find out. 125 is not divisible by 2. Is it divisible by 3? 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 5 is 8. No, it's not divisible. So we can directly go ahead with 5. 5 times 25 is 125. Now here again 5. 5 times 5 is 25. So 125 prime factors are 5 times 5 times 5. Now find out the HCF. Now we find all the prime factors here. Now common factors you have to figure it out. Prime factors of 28, 140, 125. Now let's see the common factors among all the three numbers. Do you have any common factors among all the three numbers? No. 2 is not there any of the three numbers. 7 is not there all the three numbers. 5 is not there in all the three numbers. So here we do not have any common factors between 28, 140, 125. So HCF of 28, 140, 125 is just 1 because here we do not have any common factors among all the three numbers. Okay, let's take one more example. HCF of 120, 150, 135 using prime factorization. Let's find out 120 factors along with me. 120 factors are 2 times 60, 2 times 30, 2 times 15, and 15 is not divisible by 2. So 3 times 5. So 120 prime factors are 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. Now 150 prime factors. 150 prime factors are 2 times 75, 2, 75 is not divisible by 2. So we will divide it by 3 because 7 plus 5 is 12. 7 plus 5 is 12, so which is divisible by 3. So 3 times 25 is 75, and 5 times 5 is 25. So 150 prime factors are 2 times, 3 times, 5 times 5. Now let's find out the 135 prime factors. 135 prime factors are, is 135 divisible by 5? Yes. Is 135 divisible by 3? 5 plus 3, 5 plus 3 is 8, 8 plus 5 is 9. So you can also do it by 5, or you can also do it by 3. That is up to you. Here I am choosing 5. 5 27s, 135, 3 nines, 27, and 3 threes, 9. So 135 prime factors are 3 times 3 times 3 times 5. Here I am writing in an order so that it will be easy to pair up. Okay. Now 2 is, let's see whether prime factor 2 is in the all the three numbers. No. Whether prime factor is there in, prime factor 3 is in the all the three numbers. Yes. See, here 1 3, here 1 3, and here 1 3. So 1 3 is common among all the three numbers, and 5 is common 5 is common in all the three numbers. So 5. Now now HCF of 120, 150, 135, we simply multiply these two numbers, these two factors, common factors. 3 times 5 is 15. So HCF of 120, 150, 135 is 15. That's it. Now I am going to write some questions. You try by your own. If you stuck anywhere, let me know. I will help you. The first question can be 24, 50, 56, and then 64. The second question 102, 170, 136. Try these questions, and then if you stuck anywhere, please let me know. I will help you in the comments. And then until the next video, bye. Thank you for watching.